Hello, welcome all. Today we will study prescription. It is very important topic. In this topic we will cover prescription means what is prescription and then types of prescription and handling of prescription. How to handle the prescriptions. Let's start. Prescription. Prescription is a written order from a registered medical practitioner to pharmacist to compounding and dispense a specific medication for the patient. And also prescriptions are generally written in English or in Latin words or in abbreviation. And it is frequently used in order to save the time. Now, parts of prescription or types of prescription like date, name, age, sex, and address of the patient. Superscription, inscriptions, subscription, signature, renewal instruction, signature, address, and registered number of the prescriber. Now, first one is date. In date, it helps a pharmacist to find out the date of prescribing and date of prescriptions for filling the prescription. Like prescription which prescribe like narcotic or other habit forming drugs, it must bear the date so as to avoid the misuse of prescription. If it is presented by a patient a number of times for dispensing. Second one is name, age, sex, address of the patient, in which write the name of patient, age of patient, sex and address of the patient, and it must be written in prescription because it serves to identify the prescriptions. Like in case if any of this information is missing in the prescription, the same way it includes by the pharmacist after proper inquiry from the patient. Okay, and it also used in dose calculation of children's. Then next is superscription. It represent by the RX symbol. It is Latin word. It means you take. Next one is inscription. Inscription means main part of the prescription order contains the name and quantities of the prescribed ingredients. Like name of each ingredient is written on a separate line along with its quantity, and prescription is divided into following parts like base, adjuvant. In base, active medicaments which are intended to produce the therapeutic effects, and adjuvant means it includes either to enhance the action of medicaments or to improve the action of medicaments. Now let's start. Subscription means subscription comprises the direction to the pharmacist for preparing the prescription and number of doses to be dispensed. Next one is signature or signa. It consists of the direction to be given to the patient regarding the administration of drug or medicines. It is usually written as a signature SIG on the prescription, and the instruction given in the prescription are required to be transferred to the container in which the medicaments to be dispensed, and so that the patient can follow it the instruction. Different types of instruction. Renewal instruction. Prescriber indicates on every prescription order whether it may be renewed, and if so, how many times. It is very important in the prescription containing the narcotic and habit forming drugs or medicines to prevent its misuse. And next one is signature, address and registration number of the prescriber. The prescription must bear the signature of the prescriber along with its registration number and address. It is very important in the prescription containing the narcotic and habit forming drugs to prevent its misuse. Now, the sample of prescription. All of you see the sample of prescription. On the top, first of all, write the name of patient, age of patient and sex and address. Then write the superscription. Superscription, it indicates RX. Then it's below write the inscriptions. Then it's below write the subscription, and then signature of the prescriber. See, in this sample, inscription is the all ingredients are written in this sample. Okay. Then handling of prescription. How to handle the prescription. Handling of prescription. Following procedures should be adopted for the pharmacist while handling the prescription for compounding and dispensing, like receiving, reading and checking, collecting and weighing the materials, and last one is compounding, labeling and packaging. First one is receiving. In receiving, the prescription should be revised from the patient by the pharmacist. When a pharmacy first receives a prescription, they must check that the prescription is valid and that the prescriber has prescribed within their send the money. Now, second one is reading and checking, in which receiving a prescription, always check it that it is written in proper format. Prescription should always be screened behind the counter. In case of any doubt regarding the prescription, ingredients or directions, the pharmacist should consult the other pharmacist or the prescriber. Now, third one is collecting and weighing the material. Before compounding the prescription and all the materials required for it, and it should be collected on the left hand side of the balance. After weighing the material, it should be shifted to the right hand side of the balance. This gives a check of ingredients which have been weighed, and while compounding, the label of every stock bottle should be read at least 3 times in order to avoid any error, like when taken from the shelf or drawers. Now, what is the compounding, labeling and packaging? Fourth one is compounding, labeling and packaging. Compounding should be carried out in a neat place and all the equipment etc. It required should be thoroughly cleaned and dried, and only one prescription should be compounded at one time, and the compounded medicament should be filled in a suitable containers, and it depending on its quantity and use, and the filled containers are suitable labeled white plain paper of good quality should be used for the labeling the container. Then different steps to minimize the prescription error. First one is correct entry of the prescription must be ensured, and second one is it should be confirmed that the prescription is correct and complete. And next, prescriber or pharmacist must be aware to look alike, sound like a drugs, and extra care should be taken with zero and abbreviation, and also workplace must be organized, neat and clean, and distraction should be reduced when it possible, and also focus must be given on reducing the stress, anxiety and balancing the heavy workloads, and drugs should be stored properly, and all prescriptions should be checked thoroughly, and thorough patient counseling should be provided. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand, but still you have any problem you can comment, so we will continue rest of our topic in next video. Thank you.